So now I'm going to start what is the different type of compute services in Google Cloud platforms. Before that, I'm going to just share you some building blocks support by any cloud platform. It's GCP, Azure, or AWS. So in GCP, there are four building blocks: compute, storage, network, and AI/ML. And all these platforms supported by the security and logging. So when I say the compute, so compute provide the different kinds of services like App Engine, Kubernetes, as well as virtual machines. So these are the compute engine under the Google Cloud platform, as well as when I come into the second pillar of the any cloud platform, it's storage. So where your data is going to store, it depends upon the second pillar, storage. So you can save your data over the BigQuery data warehouse, as well as Google Cloud Storage as a data lake supports structure, semi-structure or unstructured data, as well as network. So when I say the networks, the network supports VPN, VPC, or different kinds of networking which communicate GCP services with the another services. So right now there are four pillar booming right now: AI and ML. So machine learning and artificial intelligence also booming. So these are the four pillar of any Google Cloud platform that would also support it parallelly by the security and the logging. So security comes under the cyber attack, as well as networking security, as well as IAM, identity and access management. Also supports logging as a four pillar. So logging, when you just deploy any project, so you need to just identify what type of current situation or status going on. That would also showing by the logging. So Google Cloud Compute Services of the first pillar supports different type of compute services. So Engine. So Google Compute Engine, our first compute services. So Google Compute Engine is a service provided by the Google, where you can just deploy your virtual machine. It's a this service. You can just modify your RAM, you select your operating system, and different type of things you can just modify according to your weightages. So it's a service which provide infrastructure as a service. So Google Compute Engine provides the infrastructure as a service. Means you can just modify your RAM, your storage, as well as your operating system. So where you can just deploy your virtual machine. Second, it supports Google Cloud Compute Services, Google Kubernetes Engine, so GKE. Kubernetes Engine is a service provided by the Google side, which also supports as a infrastructure as a service. You can also modify all the things. There is according to your weightage, as well as it is a service orchestration provided by your container. Mean or orchestration, you can just make it your container, container orchestration, you can just make it. Means container orchestration, as well as it is the third one is a app engine is a service. It's not a infrastructure service, because of it's managed by all the things on the Google side. The platform as a service, it provided a one platform. Only you need to deploy your application or web application over the app engine. Where Google Cloud Run. So Cloud Run is a service which also supports the lightweight container. So Google Kubernetes engines orchestration all the containers, but Google Cloud supports the single container orchestration. When I come into the Google Cloud function, so it is a serverless function which suppose trigger-based services. Suppose if any new object or new file will come into Google Cloud storage, so if you set up your cloud function, so automatically it will trigger into your BigQuery or your whatever you set up all things. So it is a trigger-based services. It's a serverless. There is nothing need to worry about it. Everything it will provide. So it's a platform as a service. So the App Engine and Google Cloud, there is a difference. So App Engine, you can just deploy your web application or your code over there. App application, you can just deploy over the App Engine. But Google Cloud Run supports the container base is a single lightweight container. You can just deploy your application here. So I hope you understood all the things. So thank you so much.